Hi everyone, I'm online right now to talk about registration being now open for our LGBTQIA online certification program that you can see below. You'll be able to click on and go right to the write-up about it and be able to register if you want. You can register for one class, two classes, the entire thing, but we've put a lot of energy into this. So as you know, I'm going around the country and I'm teaching therapists about LGBTQIA issues. And what I'm doing is a full day, but it's only 6.5 hours. So people come and they're hungry for more, understandably, because I can only do so much in each section. So I talk about LGBTQ teens. I talk about, mixed orientation marriages. I talk about the trauma of growing up LGBT. I talk about sexuality issues, couples. So I do a pretty broad thing, and actually I have a book, and I've been promoting that lately because it's newly out, called LGBTQ Clients in Therapy. And while this is for therapists, this is for anybody, educators, medical professionals who want to understand and have cultural competency in dealing with this population. But again, even this book is limited, and so we have people in the program, faculty, that are teaching things outside of my expertise. Things like gay parenting. What do you do when there's two moms? What do you do when there's two dads? How do these families work? What are the things that go on for them, that affect them? How does homophobia affect them? How does it address the child in a good way, in a positive way, in a negative way? How do these couples and families navigate themselves? We talk about religious abuse in this online certification program. We have a really good faculty member who's going to talk about what do you do when you're Mormon or you're Orthodox Jewish or you're Baptist and you're gay, you're lesbian, you're bisexual, you're trans, and it doesn't align with and it's incongruent with your intersectional identity of religiosity. That's a really important thing. We talk about on the faculty, we have somebody who works at a chemical dependency center for LGBT. There are specific issues that are going on for LGBT people when chemical use and abuse and dependency happen. And then what I don't talk enough about in my book or even in my presentations, because there's so much, is how do you deal with transgender teens? So these are really important issues, and people who think, well, I'm gay friendly, so I can work with the LGBT population. You have to be more than LGBT friendly. You have to be LGBT informed. It's so crucial. If you're not informed, you're going to miss all kinds of opportunities to help your patients, your clients, your students, and the client is going to leave without the full benefit of what they needed to learn from you. So I'm hoping people will at least go to the webpage and click on it and see for yourself what we offer. You can ask us all kinds of questions, including in it. We'll be online. We're going to give you supervision. So each participant, if you take the full program, will get 20 hours of supervision from myself, from Rachel Needle, who is co-owner of this, and Larry Siegel, who's we're all certified sex therapists and come from all different kinds of angles that can be helpful to you. So I'm really, really excited about it. I've been working in this field for 33 years, and it just makes sense to me to move it online and to bring people in and learn for yourself about working with this population. All right, thank you so much, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time.